Hi, I'm Mike Davenport, Louisville Chevy dude here at Bachman Chevrolet in Louisville, Kentucky. Behind me, I have 3 Z06s that are available for sale, but before I begin, please don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Twitter, share my videos, and a couple thumbs up will be nice as well. So I have 3 Z06s available. 2 of them have a Z07 package, and at the shooting of this video, there are no available automatics even built yet in the country. So manual transmission 7-speed is the only thing that you can get. Shark gray and 2 whites. This white one, you can see the full overview of that video right here by clicking this link as you see the pop-up. The shark gray vehicle has the Z07 package. It's a 2LZ equipment group. Manual transmission, as I spoke about earlier. Also has the carbon fiber dual roof package, so it has a transparent roof and the carbon fiber exposed roof. The PDR with navigation, carbon fiber interior package, and the battery protection package. Show you the roof. There's your carbon fiber visible roof. The Z07 package has the wicker bill that's not currently put on this vehicle. Also has the stage 3 aero package, which this has got the carbon flash color, ground effects. The standard wheels that I absolutely love on the shark gray exterior. And then we move over to the white one here. It is the exact same vehicle with the exception of the chrome wheels. I put the chrome wheels on this particular one, and this is the sister to that white one there, with the exception of the Z07 package. The exact same car, just has the Z07 equipment group on the vehicle. Looking at this window sticker, you see you have a 2LZ equipment group, the Z07, the carbon fiber roof package, the carbon fiber package for the stage 3, Z06 chrome wheels, navigation with the PDR, carbon fiber interior, and battery protection package. You see the sticker on that one is 101. The shark gray one is 99 and some change. And as always, as I speak about in all of my videos, never pay over sticker on any car. You are wasting your money when you pay over sticker. So there are 3 of my current 4 available Z06s that I have in stock currently. I have a red one coming that is just like the white non-Z07 car. So I have that one coming here. It is built and being shipped. And I would love to earn your business on one of these 3 cars, or if I can help you order a Z06 that is perfect for you, I can do that as well. I do have allocations. Being one of the top Chevy dealers in the country and one of the top 30 Corvette dealers in the country, I do have allocations and can get your car, again, with no markups over MSRP. Again, my name is Mike Davenport. I'm Louisville Chevy dude here at Bachman Chevrolet in Louisville, Kentucky. I can handle all your RC8 deliveries. I can handle your retail deliveries, shipping, everything, and make it extremely easy for you. Look at my reviews and you'll see for yourself. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day and drive safely.